Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and these are what we think the next iPhones will look like. Now, I covered that in a video a couple days ago, but the latest rumor is that the iPhone X Plus and the iPhone XS, or whatever it's called, will work with the Apple Pencil, but the less expensive LCD model, which is supposed to be this one, whether it's the iPhone 9 or not, will not work with the Apple Pencil. So it looks like Apple may enable Pencil support on the OLED display devices. So this was one of those rumors that I know some people have wanted an Apple Pencil to work on it, whether it be this pencil at $99 or a smaller one, and maybe a smaller one similar in size to that of the S Pen on the Note 9. But maybe this one will work also. We don't really know, but on a 6.5-inch display, some people I think will welcome this, while others may or may not care. Myself, I'm not sure I would use it, but I think the feature would be nice to have on there. So to be able to sketch or draw or whatever you want to do really quickly, or maybe circle notes or take notes with it, you might have the ability to do that on the new 6.5-inch iPhone, whatever it's called, and the other one, this one in particular. I don't know if you'd want to do that with such a small display, but with this one, you could do it as well. But I'm curious to know, is this something that you actually want or care about, or is it just something that if it's there, it's nice, or you don't really care? I'm curious to know what you have to say about this, because this is something that, while it sounds like a good idea, and I welcome the ability to have the feature, I'm not sure we want to go around like this charging our Apple Pencil. If this is something we need to do, while this is kind of convenient on the go, maybe they'll have a better way, or a little battery or something inside that we can charge a different way. It's hard to say at this point, but I'm curious to know what you think about this. Is this something you'd welcome, writing on your display, or like Steve Jobs said, do you still prefer touch over a stylus? Because who wants to use a stylus? Yuck, if you remember that quote from him. So it's one of those things where I personally don't care for stylus or styluses, but for some people I know they'll like it a lot. On the iPad, on the other hand, it's really nice to draw with. You've got the pressure sensitivity for shading or taking notes. It's great for that sort of thing, but on an iPhone, I'm not sure I'd use it. I wanted to know what you think about this. Is it a feature you'd really welcome and look forward to, or is it something you think is just them trying to play catch up with Android maybe? Just curious to know what you think. Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.